Hey guys, welcome back in to Love and Light. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are doing what's best for you and taking great care of yourselves. So let's see here. Here for our beautiful Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please keep in mind, guys, that these are general readings. Please be sure to take what resonates and leave what does not. If you find that this reading does resonate, please don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe. As always, I want to thank you all for taking the time to tune in to Love and Light. So let's see here. What's playing out for my beautiful Scorpio spirit? Alright, so only the highest of intentions be present in this experience. Any negative energies being sent, please return to sender times 100. So we have moved beyond ancestral patterns, and we have the elder out here. So you guys could be doing things, being the first one to do things within your family. Moving beyond the limitations that have been set for you by family members, past and present. So this is representing a reclamation of power. Know that you have the capacity to move beyond the limitations that have been placed upon you. If you have had expectations of success, of failure, sadness, or even sickness placed upon you by your family, it's important that you know you are here to create your own story. So the elder comes with a message of healing change. So personal healing that will bring healing to your family lineage, past, present, and future. So, this is you getting to decide what you take on. And also know that your ancestors are rooting for you and are sorry for any setbacks they have created for you. So let's see what's going on for my beautiful Scorpio spirit. Okay, so the ending of something, there's a completion here. Opportunity that lies is a new beginning. It's a whole new world here. Um, let's see. Let me get another one out here. Oh wow. Something is ending suddenly. This could be coming as a shock or surprise to someone here in this energy. But yeah, releasing something that no longer serves you. So there's like something out of someone's control. Something's being brought down to the ground because something here no longer serves someone. Um, Releasing. There's something that you're releasing. There's something that's being released to help bring a cycle or a pattern to an ending. And it's going to require someone here to really focus on their priorities. And we have a new beginning here with this golden egg. This is new beginning. This is a reclamation of power. The elk and the golden egg. Exactly what this card here brought to the reading. The golden egg I associated as with the Ace of Cups energy from the tarot deck, and then the elk I associate with the Emperor energy. So this is a new beginning here. This is you taking control of your own life here. You could be deciding to move away from family. You can be um, working to create and build something here that, maybe the people in your family were not, family members were not able to do. Um, but yeah, so let's see here. The situation at hand here with this panther and this bad energy. The panther is out here, and when the panther comes to a reading, the panther comes to help us understand our own inner powers that are often hidden in the dark within us. So this is happening. Whatever this is, this unexpected situation. It could be an upheaval. It can be chaos, or this could simply be like a shift in your energy. It's going to be different for everyone, but it comes to encourage us to use the power to remove any fears we have of the unknown. And we have the bad energy here, which is letting me know that something here is being released. Something that no longer serves you. The panther is all about reclaiming one's true power, especially skills that have been dormant or underutilized for a long time. So it's time for you to stand up for what it is that you believe in, even if others disagree. Know that you possess the ability to guide individuals through challenges and provide strength during difficult times. You are highly favored and truly blessed here. Mm. So you could be moving from feeling stagnant, or maybe feeling as if things has not been, moving for you. I feel like when this happens, it's going to bring something to a close. It's going to end a pattern or a cycle here, and you're going to be moving forward, and your energy is going to pick up, and things are going to get going for you. But yeah, so with, as I was saying, with the bad energy, you may be someone that feels more energetic at night, and you have a high level of self-awareness and consciousness. I'm speaking to some Scorpios that you enjoy challenging yourself. Yeah. On this card, there is a red. This bat is red. And being that it's red, this could be speaking to like hidden emotions that can be dark and consuming. Okay. Particularly, someone here could be dealing with some type of regret or guilt. And by this panther here showing up, this could be a situation where someone is actually going to be bringing something to light and addressing whatever this is when it comes to their emotions. Mm. Someone could be, this could be emotional transformation for someone. Yeah. Mm. This could be emotional transformation for someone. Um, Stripping away old limiting personality and stepping into a larger, wiser self. Somebody here is experiencing a death and a rebirth in terms of letting go of the past and overcoming their fears and confronting those deep issues that they've been too scared to challenge here. Yeah, the ending of a chapter, the closing of a door, the back comes swiftly encouraging us to move on. And in just a few hours, there's a new day that dawns, and no more lingering in the past. Okay, so this is actually good news. Okay, this is for someone's highest good here happening. Um, so we have the cosmic egg here that is also here with the mouse spirit. Mm, the mouse and the cosmic egg. The birth of a new world here. So this is completion. This represents completion in this deck. Um, Harmony, something here being brought to an end to welcome in a new beginning for you. Um, this state here emerges after you've treaded the path for quite some time, and through self effort and grace, you've experienced self realization. A sense of contentment and oneness spontaneously arises within you, and the veils of your self limiting beliefs are lifted. Okay, so maybe you felt in the past that you'll never get to where it is you're trying to get to, or it's like you may have even felt as if you were doing something all alone. You may have also felt disconnected from others, including loved ones. Um, yeah. So this is good news. But here with, it's like now you're moving into this new beginning, and you are focusing on what's most important to you. Your priorities here. Okay. Is a big focus for you now. What matters the most? Balance is important. Making sure that you're not taking on too much. Focusing on doing one thing at a time. The mouse is known for paying attention to detail. So you may be someone here who is, detail oriented. There could be something here that you're looking into. Um, Something here you're looking into. The mouse spends its days fixing, preparing, organizing, and scrutinizing, and sometimes doesn't notice when they've gone too far. So be sure that you know when to pull back, so that you're able to see the bigger picture, so that you don't get too stern on the details. Okay, you guys could be going through ascension. Like you may even feel as if you're unsure, or you're not knowing where this path is going to take you. Um, mm, there's an opportunity though for you to break down that big goal of yours into smaller, more manageable actions, and focus on one task at hand. Yeah. Now, for some of you guys, it may be that you need to look deep into detail to really get focused on your priorities. For some of you, okay. Now, Then we have this new beginning ushering in with this golden egg. And then we also have the elk um, energy, animal energy. So let's see here. I'm just looking like a new beginning of great possibilities. This could be a start of a new relationship or a deeper connection to an existing one. Um, Ace of Cups, this golden egg signifies matters of the heart, um, your emotions here, spiritual rebirth into a new, more spiritual experience of life for some of you guys. Okay, one moment. So yeah, my beautiful Scorpios, significant changes here in your reading, and masculine and feminine energy here. Structure, order, emotional fulfillment, and new beginnings. This lets me know that you have the ability to create a balance between your emotions and intellect to reach your full potential. There's a achievement here, sense of self-mastery, or this could also be you being on the path to achieving it. Having the power to take charge of your own life, as I stated, to help steer you towards a more fulfilling and emotionally satisfying path. You could be creating an environment that is both supportive of your emotional and your practical needs. Yeah. Balance your masculine and feminine energies in your life more effectively. Because sometimes this combination here can be indicating like a need for you to be cautious, use caution, to be vigilant around those who are trying to dominate, control, or stifle your emotions. Yeah. So, yeah, my beautiful Scorpios, this is what's happening. A whole new world, new beginning. Hmm. Maintain balance and harmony. This is going to be key here. Because that's what presents the opportunity for you to gain more. Um, Balance your priorities. So this is like going to be helping you decide where to focus your energies next. Make sure you're flexible with your plans and you make necessary changes to maintain stability. It's also a time for you to appreciate the people who helped you in your life. So yeah, let's see here what we have for you. When it comes to messages from your future higher self, know that you are protected. We have realignment here wanting to come out. Shift your perspective for a gained a sense of clarity. So yeah, I feel like this energy here is going to help you to um, remove what no longer serves you, and it's going to clear something away here. Something here that cannot come with you in this new beginning. And your yeah, realignment. I can most definitely, I'm getting that from this energy here. Major change, upheaval is coming, but it's necessary for your growth and evolution. Okay. Okay. You may be letting go of old habits, old beliefs, relationships that are no longer serving you. Unexpected event. But just trust and know that you have the power to face whatever this is, to come out stronger on the other side. Okay. And it's also like giving me like this wake up call so that you are able to reevaluate your life and make the necessary changes. Transformation and growth. We have communicate, receive, and express the truth. And you know, I was getting that with the world here in the Two of Pentacles. I was getting that like the need for communication and exchange of ideas to balance the scales here. Mm, I was getting communication with that for sure. Signifies like teamwork, communication here with this. So yeah. All right, let's see here, my beautiful Scorpios. I'm gonna leave it here. Wishing you guys the very best. Congratulations on this new beginning. Thanks so much for viewing. Love and light.